This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Nathan Mercado. Welcome to the Serendipity at 629 Fairhope Dining Room, Polk, City, Florida 33868. This stunning one-story Serendipity floor plan by Highland Homes, built in 2021, offers 2,004 square foot of thoughtfully designed living space on an 8,307 square foot lot in lovely Auburn Cove. The home first welcomed its owners in late 2023 and is an excellent showcase of modern, functional Florida living. Key features and highlights: 3 bedrooms, 2 baths plus versatile den bonus room that can be a 4th bedroom, just added brand new French doors. The entryway leads into a cozy den, ideal for a home office or quiet retreat. Open concept living. A bright gathering room with volume ceilings flows seamlessly into a sunny dining cafe and open kitchen featuring a counter height island and walk-in pantry. Added new upgraded washer, dryer, as well as added luxury vinyl flooring in all the bedrooms. No carpet. Owner's suite retreat, spacious primary suite with elegant tray ceiling, dual walk-in closets, and a luxurious ensuite bathroom furnished with dual vanities, tiled shower, and a private water closet. Functional layout: a mud/drop zone by the garage entry keeps keys and bags organized, dedicated laundry room, hall bath boasts double sinks. Outdoor living: enjoy a covered front porch and a covered rear lanai directly off the gathering room, perfect for outdoor gatherings or quiet evenings. 2-car garage with convenient access to the home's entryway. 4 exterior elevations to fit your style, from stucco to coastal siding with stone accents. Added on new fence vinyl for privacy. Also added screen to screen in porch. Interior and exterior amenities: volume ceilings in main living areas, flat ceilings in bedrooms. Grand entry foyer with adjacent coat/storage closet. Large walk-in pantry. Multiple finish package options with upgrades available. No CDD fees, modest HOA, $50 per month. For more information, review the details below.